Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to remove Adblock on Google Chrome. As you can see, I'm already on my Google Chrome. All you have to do is open your Google Chrome, go to the right side of the corner, click on these three dots. Here you will find settings, click on it, and as you can see, you have to go to the left side and click on the privacy and security. Here you will find many options. All you have to do is click on the site settings. You have to scroll down a little bit. You have to click on this additional content settings. Here you will see intrusive ads. Click on it, and now you can remove Adblock from your Google Chrome. Or if you have any Adblock on your Google Chrome extensions, all you have to do is click on these three dots again. Click on the extension, manage extensions, click on it. Here you will find the Adblock. You can remove it by clicking here or here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.